the nightingale at dawn. Quietly she sits, so beautiful and fair, exquisite face and long flowing hair. Her song to the world, often she fears, when really it's music to the heart and ear. Gentle and soft and laden with love, a song